underway. Napoli against Juventus. Paulo Cannavaro. He did well to get it. What next? Now Lorenzo Insigne. Vidal. Zuniga. Pirlo. Paulo Cannavaro with the crucial intervention. Now Giovinco. The match has barely started, but already we're about to witness our first substitution.
I don't really think that it's a reflection on his individual performance. I don't think he's been that bad to be taken off, but it seems more of a tactical move now for what lies ahead.
Inland. Chiellini. Surely a goal!
To be fair, that was tough for the keeper to handle.
Barzagli. Zuniga. Bonucci has a hold of him. He's looking to play it into the channel. Vidal. Now Vucinic. And suddenly the defence is on the back foot.
Tevez really has the confidence and skill to be able to hold the ball up like that until support arrives a little sooner. Just maybe there he overdid it slightly and should have released it because the support was arriving quickly.
Pirlo will take the corner. He's got possession now, maybe a chance. Lorenzo Insigne. Lichtsteiner. Zuniga. Lichtsteiner. Miguel Britos. They got a throw in. Hamšík. Slickly done that. He tried going it alone, but without success. Pirlo. Vucinic. Maggio. Now Lorenzo Insigne. Vital interception there. Vucinic. Paulo Cannavaro. Quickly closed down. Kwadwo Asamoah has got hold of. Looking to receive the ball. Break could be on. Marchisio.
Well, they're controlling the game really well now, but they're just not able to find that incisive pass.
And that's been intercepted. Gamberini. Oh, he wasn't taking any chances there. A poor clearance, and it's been picked up. Pandev. Vidal. Zuniga. Now Hamšík. Hamšík tried to play it through.
Yeah, it looked like there that he was asking just a little too much of himself to try and thread that ball through. He was a bit over-ambitious, but like his thinking.
Paulo Cannavaro. Vucinic. Maggio. Kwadwo Asamoah. Maggio. He's found space. Now a chance for a cross. Kwadwo Asamoah with some good covering. Tops it upfield. Long ball forward. Miguel Britos plays it back to the keeper. Bonucci. Now Vucinic. Here's Lorenzo Insigne. Lichtsteiner. The half-time whistle goes.
I think it's been a very impressive defensive effort. They've never been broken down and contained the opposition attack extremely well.
Neither side has managed a goal. It's 0-0. Chiellini. Kwadwo Asamoah knocks it forward. Thumps it long. Oh, well defended. Too long and out of play. Gambarini with a great example of how to cover. Zuniga. Now a chance for Lorenzo Insigne. The ball played through the middle. Berami. And plays it in. Barzagli. Zuniga plays it long. Inland. Maggio. Thumps it long. Paulo Cannavaro makes the interception. Maggio. Paulo Cannavaro. Zuniga. Vucinic. Play surges forward. Miguel Britos wins the battle and emerges with the ball. Maggio. Hamšík. Vidal. Inland. Pirlo. A crucial intervention there. Gambarini. Maggio. Long pass forward. Zuniga. Lichtsteiner. Berami. Maggio. A long ball into space. Vucinic. Berami. Hamšík. Pandev.
They may well get a bit more joy down the flanks. They'll certainly find more space out there.
The ball is with Vucinic. That's not going to make it through. Zuniga. Here's Lorenzo Insigne. Out towards the corner flag. He stayed up for this pass. Looking for width. Vidal. Oh, fine through ball down the middle. Pirlo. He'll take it on from here. That is wayward.
Well, he caught that one right on the meat. Cracking effort.
Berami. Miguel Britos. Inla. Gambarini plays it long. Here's Vucinic. And he plays it to the keeper. Bonucci. Now through to Tevez. Berami. Vucinic. Couldn't quite get it through that.
Look, if he wants that ball to make it, then he has to pass it with a bit more zip. I think he knew as soon as it left his boot it was going to be cut out. Just lacked a little more power.
Here's Tevez. Ball played in. Heads it. Hits the crossbar.
Oh, the ball in had such good pace on it. He only had to redirect it with his head. I think the cross was an absolute peach.
Tevez has got it. Off he goes. Tevez shoots. And the chance accepted with some aplomb. And the game finally comes to life in the second half. They have their lead now, but can they hold out for these last few minutes? Bonucci. Tries another one. Well, to call that wayward would be being kind. And that's it. The final.